На сцену приглашается Вероника Ревина с композицией «Birdie Strange and Birds». Готовится Кристина Карпунина.
Little ghost, you're listening. I like most, you don't mean the thing. You see the truth. I work the house invisibly. I'm climbed the world, no one sees me. No one but you. You world is love, the strange birds. I want to fly into your world. I want to be high. My wanted wings still beating. You world is love, the stranger inside me, ugly pretty. Oh wow, no 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 no. Oh wow, no 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 no. Oh wow, no 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 no. A little ghost, you see the pain, but together we can make something beautiful. So take my hands and perfectly we fill the gaps, you make me free. I was meant for you and you for me. You were this love, the strange birds. I want to fly into your world. I want to be high, yeah. My wanted wings still beating. You were this love, the stranger inside me, ugly pretty. Oh wow, no 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 no. Oh wow, no 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 no. Oh wow, no 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 no. Oh wow, oh wow, pretty, pretty. You were this love, the strange birds. I want to fly into your world. I want to be high. My wanted wings still beating. You were this love, the stranger inside me, ugly, pretty.
Спасибо.